inside the jungle. A little monkey was wandering all alone. Curious, he looked up and saw a very tall tree. Without thinking twice, he started climbing. Step by step, he moved closer. Then, he found something unexpected. The monkey didn't understand. He tried to take one. But something felt wrong. The mother was back. And she was not happy. She attacked, pouring death to protect her babies. The monkey panicked and lost his balance. He fell straight down. Luckily, he survived. Shaken, he looked back up. The mother stood strong, protecting her family. That day, the little monkey learned a lesson. Curiosity can be dangerous.